Welcome back to the Nomadic Way, where we dive into the real, raw, and beautiful aspects of this lifestyle. Today, let's talk about something we all deal with: laundry, showers, and the unconditional love of our fur family. Living nomadically means being resourceful, and that includes keeping our clothes clean. Some of us rely on laundromats, setting up camp near towns where we can wash and dry everything in one go. Others embrace the old school way of things, hand washing in buckets and using eco-friendly soap, and hanging clothes to dry under the vast open sky. There's something humbling about this process. We don't have the luxury of mindlessly tossing a load in the water. Instead, we're intentional, making do with less, being mindful of water, and embracing the simplicity of the moment. Showering on the road is its own adventure. Some of us rely on gyms, memberships, or truck stops, while others make use of solar showers, lakes, or streams when nature allows. And let's be honest, baby wipes and dry shampoo have saved more than a few of us between the real showers. But here's the thing, out here we redefine what clean means. It's not about meeting societal's expectations. It's about feeling refreshed and respecting our bodies. And some of the best showers aren't in the tiled bathroom, but under the stars, with water warmed by the sun, surrounded by the sounds of nature. And by the way, if you've traveled this way long enough, you know about our animals also. They aren't just our companions, they are our soulmates on the journey. They walk beside us through every mile, offering comfort on the loneliest nights and joy in the smallest moments. They remind us to be present, to chase the wind, to roll in the dirt and stretch out in the sun. They don't care if we haven't had a shower in 3 days or if our clothes are a little dusty. They love us just as we are. And in that, they teach us what it truly means to just be. And they also teach us what really matters. This lifestyle strips away the excess. It teaches us what essentials, not the brand or the clothes, not how perfect our hair looks, but freedom of living untamed, the joy of connection, and the love we share with our fellow nomads, both human and fur. So tell me, how do you handle laundry, shower, and life with your fur babies on the road? Drop a comment, share your wisdom, and let's keep this conversation going. Until next time, keep on roaming.